Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard and providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.